Here we go. Where's the Partack fan club? I know they're out there. Started the day in 5th place. He may have the largest bass of the tournament yesterday. You guys welcome from Illinois, Brian Partack.
Another guy who is no stranger to the top 20s, top 10s, Forest Wood Cups. Man, you know how to catch them, Brian.
Again, anytime you get to see Chris Jones, things went well. Just
That's cool, man. I appreciate it, man. That's cool.
always good to see. You know, a lot of good things went right this week. I had some fantastic pros and heck of a comeback. I mean, I started after the first day, I was in 74th, and I went from 74th to 5th, and I just have a lot to thank for my pros this week. I drew Tony Davis on day one. Dan Moorhead, obviously I caught the big one with him. He's a class act. He treated me very professionally and actually was really happy for me. And then today I drew Rick Cotton. So let's weigh this fish out. Thanks, people.
You got it. Sounds like a plan, Brian. On day one, he had 6 pounds and 4 ounces. Yesterday, 18 pounds and 12 ounces. That was good enough to propel him all the way up into 5th place. You need to take out Kerry Barnett of Arkansas, who's sitting back there. 8 pounds and 8 ounces. He's got one good one today. Worth 3 pounds and 2 ounces, Brian. You don't fall far, man. You're in 7th place with 4 guys left. That's a great tournament for you this week.
I really do appreciate it. My mom came down to see me. My aunt and uncle from Little Rock came to see me. You know, I caught a fish of a lifetime today in an FLW tournament, and I just want to say thanks to FLW for letting co-anglers fish out here. Honestly, I've learned so much doing this 3 years, and big shout out to Rocky Brook Sinkers. They got a new lineup of tungsten weights, so check them out, RockyBrookSinkers.com, and all my friends and family on Team Partack watching them live, and see you guys, and just Sam Rayburn. What a trip. It was awesome. You guys are great. It's great to be here.
Thank you so much. One of the best co-anglers going today, Brian Partack. Good job, sir. In 7th place with 28 pounds, 2 ounces of Sam Rayburn bass, Jason.